Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So you might be wondering, why is she outside? I'm outside right now because this is the best lighting and I want you guys to see how poppin' this color is. All my photos came out so dull inside, even the video is a little dark. So yeah, I wanted you guys to see. She poppin', hey. So we got purple and we got this hot pink. I hope you guys like it. Hope you guys enjoy the video. Let's get into it. Are you excited? Because I am.
As you guys can see, I've already done my roots, meaning that I've already bleached them. I didn't want to put that in the video because you've seen it so many times before. So let's get into the good part.
You can tell that some parts of my hair is shorter, but that's just because I accidentally cut it with one of my sewing. So let's do this.
Sometimes alright, fame is all we ride. Life is all about time, feeling like the world is beyond our sight. It's all about the mind, we'll be doing fine. Alright, it's alright, it's all we ride. Alright, feeling like the world is beyond our sight. It's all about the mind, the mind. The mind, yeah. Tired of being sober, never getting older. I got all the time, would you pour some wine for me? Smile for me, and I grind on me, yeah. We keep prepping long nights, rock your body whole life. Don't bother the world side, twerk it like a Vegas stripper, dollar money stage mind. Billions in a cage fight, fuck their thoughts and get high, and get high. It's all about the mind, we'll be doing fine. Living on the edge, sometimes alright. Fame is how we ride, life is all about time. Feeling like the world is beyond our sight. It's all about the mind, we'll be doing fine. Alright, it's alright. It's how we ride. Alright, feeling like the world is beyond our sight. It's your mind, your thoughts, your life. So don't you bother the worst knife. We are all the same, you don't have to explain, no. Just stay in your lane. It's all about the mind, we'll be doing fine. Living on the edge, sometimes alright. Fame is how we ride, life is all about time. Feeling like the world is beyond our sight. It's all about the mind, we'll be doing fine. It's how we ride, it's all about time. The world, yeah, it's all about the mind. Thinking about what's mine, nothing to deny. Who's that other guy? Oh, you're wasting my time. All these crazy fears that ends with bloody tears. Oh, babe.
Unfortunately, my battery died, so you didn't get to see the top. But you guys, this color, well, these colors are poppin'. Hey. Look at this purple and this pink together. Look at it. Oh my god. And then we have different shades of pink. We have hot pink, we have like a darker pink with a mix with the blue. Look at this, you guys, I'm so excited. Like, lashes dead, hair gonna be dead, nails gonna be dead, Friday, you know, everything gonna be, yeah. And of course, I do plan on flat ironing this to see how these colors come out. So, if you are interested, do subscribe to my channel. Yes. Hunt high. Stay tuned. Alright guys, so it's been on for a minute. I'm about to wash it out and then come back. But look at it, like, look how it's beautiful. So pretty. Cross your fingers, cross your toes, cross everything that needs to be crossed in hopes that it's coming out. I'll be right back. Drum roll, please. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. This is bomb. Like, this is so bomb. Like, the color's popping. Hey. It is really popping. If you like the video, if you like my process, if you like whatever about this video, then click that like button, click that subscribe button so that you get many more videos to come. Just continue to support. I appreciate it. Check out the other videos that I have. I have a few hair coloring videos. If you would like to see me flat iron this, or if you would like to see how this will look flat iron, then give me a thumbs up. Feel free to comment, feel free to leave comments, questions, suggestions, anything down below in the comment box. I read them, so yeah. I'll be here waiting to hear from you. And I hope you can't hear the background. Yeah, my siblings are here. Support, 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 support. Yeah, feel free to support. I'll see you guys next time. Oh baby, we keep prepping long nights, rock your